Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share files privately with an expiration date on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on private share. Next, in private share, go back to your private share home screen and tap on the add button. In here, select which file type that you would like to share. In here, you can choose images, videos, audio, or documents. So let's say if we choose images, tap on that and then select the photos or pictures that you want to share and then tap on done. Next, you need to select a contact from the contact list to which you want to share and then tap on send. Now you can select multiple contacts if you wanted to. Now wait for the file to upload to the private share server. Once it has been uploaded, it will send the share request to the other person. So here it says 3 file shares. On my device, it has notified that there is an incoming file. So I'm just going to tap on that to open. Okay, now that we have sent the file, we can open it up and set the expiration date. So tap on the contact that you have shared to, and then tap on the option key at the top. Then tap on change expiration date. And here, select the files that you want to set the date. So you can set the different expiration date for different files. So I'm going to select all of them and then tap on change expiration date at the bottom. Next, choose when you want the file to be expired. So I'm going to choose 9/50. And the date, you can choose the date and the month, then tap on done. And now it will update. So the file will be valid until the 18th of April at 9:50 a.m. Alright, so after that date, the recipient will no longer be able to view the file, so it has an expiration date on those files. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can see on the other device, it has an expiration date. It's valid until the 18th of April, 9:50 a.m. And that's it. Thank you for watching.